Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a mechanical watch. First, understand that these timepieces are marvels of engineering, powered purely by mechanical energy. Unlike quartz watches, they don't need batteries. Instead, they rely on a mainspring that stores energy, which is then released through a series of gears and escapements. This intricate dance of tiny components is what makes them so fascinating and enduring. Winding your mechanical watch is a simple yet crucial step. For a manual wind watch, gently turn the crown clockwise while it's in the neutral position. You'll feel a slight resistance as the mainspring tightens. Typically, 30 to 40 full turns are sufficient to fully power the watch for about 40 hours. Stop immediately when you feel firm resistance to prevent overwinding and potential damage. Setting the time and date correctly is essential for accuracy. To set the time, pull the crown out to its outermost position. Turn the crown to move the hands clockwise until you reach the desired time. For the date, pull the crown out to the first click. Turn it to advance the date. Remember to avoid adjusting the date between 9 p.m. and 3 a.m., as this can interfere with the date change mechanism. Proper care ensures your mechanical watch remains a reliable companion for many years. For automatic watches, consistent wear keeps them wounded by your natural wrist movements. Protect your watch from extreme temperatures, like direct sunlight or freezing conditions, and strong magnetic fields, which can affect accuracy. Regular servicing, typically every 3 to 5 years, by a qualified watchmaker will keep its intricate mechanisms running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.